Hi, I'm Rosette. I'm from Red Lion, Pennsylvania, and I discovered the Cornea Revolution with Dr. Motwani, and this is 2023. In 2019, I was diagnosed with keratoconus in my mid-20s, and I suffered with it for over 20 years. When my vision started to get so bad that it was affecting my driving, taking the kids out at night, when it came to work, I was a correctional officer and I was unable to qualify with the gun because my keratoconus in my right eye was so severe that I couldn't see the target. So after years of struggling and finally being convinced by my husband, we went on a search. We saw doctors in New York, Baltimore. We did telephone consults with several doctors, and we thought we would either go to Greece or Canada. I just kept seeking and seeking, and I came across Dr. Motwani's name on by Google search. And I was so happy because he did exactly what I wanted to happen. Not only did I want the keratoconus the progression to be stopped, but I also wanted to get my vision back. So Dr. Motwani's program, you actually can do that. You have an opportunity to not only have the keratoconus stopped through the cross-linking, but then he also helps restore your vision at the same time. So we came out November 2022 with my vision uncorrected. I was what they call finger count, which means without my glasses, I could see nothing on the eye chart. You literally had to put your fingers up in order for them to determine what my vision was. So we did our round of treatment, and the next morning when I woke up, my eyesight was a little blurry and teary-eyed. I had very minimal pain. I stayed in the room for about all day on that Wednesday morning. Thursday, believe it or not, I told my husband I can see. And I did not have my glasses on, and I was just amazed that I could literally see him and see across the room without anything. A year later, and I'm back seeing Dr. Motwani, and in my left eye, my vision is 20/30 uncorrected, and in my right eye, my vision is 20/50 uncorrected, with my right eye being the most severe of the two eyes. I would recommend anyone who is suffering from keratoconus to definitely invest in your vision and come see Dr. Motwani. I don't believe that you will be disappointed at all. I now drive at night. I'm no longer fearful of driving at night. I do everything just about without my glasses on. And it's just wonderful just to be able to go to the beach, or the first time I was able to go outside with the sun shining without a pair of sunglasses, so I would definitely recommend coming out to see Dr. Motwani.